The miniature inter-island terminal on Mahe Island is where tickets are purchased for a round trip to Bird Island, yet another of Seychelles' prized nature resorts and conservation sites that has earned itself a place on the country's top list of attractions. A true island greeting awaits us at Bird Island, a place where guests are warmly welcomed into the close-knit bird family the moment they arrive. Chained on all sides by a sparkling solitary beach, Bird Island in the Seychelles is an open shelter for living things, offering a back-to-nature experience that is rare in today's changing world.
This is all due to simple respect of the guest they have for nature. Because as you know, we allow nature its space, so there's no intrusion by people, and so eventually it creates a sort of friendliness between the birds, the tortoises, the turtles, and men, because they trust us, because they feel that they are not being threatened.
A spectacular colony of approximately 700,000 birds from as far away as Madagascar and beyond arrive from late March, lay their eggs in May, and by October the feathered creatures take their leave of the island, with return visits during certain seasons of the year. During the nesting season, the resort's grounds become transformed into a treasure trove of sitting birds. Some perched precorously on the highest branches, others lodged comfortably on the ground, within the sunless hollows of the Australian pine tree, each feathered creature bright-eyed and oblivious to fear.
This is called a white-tailed tropic bird, who actually were all the time here, but due to the number of crabs would have been what considered the predator, the main predator. Well, we call it predator on the island. So, therefore, I came, as I did that where I worked before, protect. That's enough to protect them, okay, from sort of confused crabs, in other words. And so I built a population from 3 pairs to 76, 82, almost 85 pairs.
Famed for its rare bird life, this friendly and welcoming island also provides a sanctuary and safe haven for birds such as the sooty tern, the brown noddy, and the elegant white-tailed tropic, which announces its presence long before it is seen. It is one of the world's top eco-holiday destinations and a successful wildlife reserve, with over 5 kilometers of the purest, powdery sands. A paradise island where visitors can truly appreciate the conservation of life and its sacredness in an unspoiled, tranquil setting, far removed from the distortions of everyday living.
Well, the designs were actually created by the owner himself, because he wanted to have a concept of harmony with nature, and of course, what we call as well simplicity. Something which is comfortable but simple, a concept which is a bit different from the rest of the islands of the Seychelles.
Reputedly one of the oldest tortoises in the world, with a place of honor in the Guinness Book of Records, Esmeralda is certainly the resort's most famous guest and the most visited. Aged between 80 and 90 years old, this colossal mammal with its massive features forms a part of the giant tortoise community on Bird Island, each one of them forming friendly landmarks in the form of mounds around the resort's grounds. Our last day on Bird Island begins with tropical showers, along with a gusty wind from the Indian Ocean, bringing down considerably the soaring temperatures of the past few days. With feelings of nostalgia, we bid our island hosts farewell and board the chartered flight back to Mahe Island.